welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Got some ribeyes, so I'm going to make some ribeye sandwiches. As you can see, I'm using those white sesame buns. You could be using something else if you want. The one on the left is a bit of a classic, cheese, onions. The one in the center is the Italian. The one on the right is the Mexican. Let's go and do it. Okay, as you can see, I've got some little ribeyes here, 3 little ribeyes. What we're going to do is we're going to just get plenty of black pepper on these and salt, and then just a little bit of olive oil, which we're just going to rub onto it. That's it, that's all they need. Most steaks just really need a little bit of salt and pepper, a touch of oil. You could put a bit of rub it with a little bit of garlic maybe if you wanted. Some salt there. A little bit of olive oil, just a touch like that. Get that rubbed in. And then I'm just going to do the other side, and then we're ready to roll. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to cook these on my press grill. You know, I've got one of these grills that you press down like that, like a George Foreman type thing. This isn't a George Foreman, but you know, you get the idea. If you want, you can just do this on a skillet or over a naked flame, you know, up to you how you do it. I'm using this. So get that hot, and then what we need to do is get these bad boys on. Now, everyone likes their steak slightly different. Some like it really rare, or some like it well done. I'm going to do these for about 6 minutes, I would think. I'll be back then. Okay, let's jump in and have a look at these now. They're looking great to me. Like I say, cook them however you want. Let's just grab these, get them onto our board, let them rest a little bit, a couple of minutes, then we can move on. Okay, let's go. So I've got some olive oil in there, white sliced onion, chopped garlic, black pepper, touch of salt, 2 to 3 minutes, lively heat. Okay, off goes the heat. In goes one of the steaks, sliced. A little bit of chili flakes. Grated cheddar. With the heat in the pan, just mix that around. It will melt nicely in there. No need to have the heat on for this. Voila. Okay, any bread you like. I've got some sesame buns. This one is untoasted. You can toast them if you want. I've got mayonnaise right there. I'm going to go tomato, lettuce, and then we're going to go stringy cheese steak with those lovely onions. Delicious. Here's my tops. If you want, put some mayo on there, some ketchup on there. I like it just plain like that. There you go. That's one done. Okay, here we go. A little bit of olive oil in there. Sliced white onion. Garlic. Lively heat. 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, looking great. In goes the steak, sliced again. Some olives, black olives. I've taken the stones out of those. Black pepper. Small amount of salt. Off goes the heat. Tablespoon of green pesto. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Little bit of grated cheddar cheese. And once again with the heat in the pan, let's throw this around. So no heat on at the moment, just using a little bit of heat that remains in the pan there. So once again, I'm going to go with the same burger buns. Mayo on the bottom, I put mayo on the tops as well. What we're going to do is get a little bit of chopped tomato in there. A little bit of chopped parsley, or you could be using fresh basil. This is a flat leaf parsley. Once again, we grab our steak and onions. This time with the Parmesan, the garlic and the pesto in there. And all of these sandwiches will work if you stick them onto the grill as well, you know, like to a flat grill, press grill. Onions, pesto, olives, garlic. Delicious. Okay. Tops on. Let's move on. Okay, let's get this last one done. So a little bit of olive oil, chopped red onion, chopped garlic, like a tablespoon. I want it to be a really big flavour in all of these sandwiches actually. Black pepper. Small amount of salt. Don't go crazy with the salt because of the cheese we're putting in. 2 to 3 minutes, lively heat. See you then. Fantastic. Cooked but got a nice crunch on them still. Let's get in our steak, again cut into slices. A little bit of chopped fresh tomato. Got some spices here, let's take a look at them. Small amounts, like half a teaspoon each, of cumin, oregano, sweet paprika and chili powder. Let's get that in. Along with, I've got here some pickled jalapenos. We're going to turn off the heat. We're going to get in some cilantro or fresh coriander. We're going to grab some cheddar cheese. We're going to drop that in. And once again, just with the heat of the pan, give that a mix. Now cheese is going to melt into all those lovely spices and grab the meat there. Okay, once again using the same bread, I've got some mayonnaise on the bottom there. Let's get on some lettuce. And then let's grab our beautiful steak with all those lovely flavours on there. This does look incredible. If you wanted, like, I don't really play around with this, you can get a slice of avocado in this. Something like that if you wanted. Yeah, man, look at all those lovely onions and that there. Feeling really good about this one. There's jalapenos in there, going to really do their job. And for the tops, I'm leaving them plain. Again, if you could mayo them if you want, or ketchup them if you liked. I think there's plenty of flavours right there. There you go, lids on, lid on, that's it. Okay, there you go, 3 sandwiches made with ribeyes. Play around with them, try and use some different bread if you wanted, or some other bits and pieces in there. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?